Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM Indian Amber White LED turn signals on this Indian Springfield. ProBEAM turn signals utilize automotive-grade LEDs to produce an even brighter light output with a wider viewing angle. They're built with the ProBEAM LED Dynamic Ringz turn signal inserts behind a DOT and SAE compliant smoked lens. The outer ring of 24 white ProBEAM LEDs showcase a smooth white halo that functions as a running light, while the 12 center amber LEDs function as the turn signal. Each unit is plug and play and has a lifetime warranty against LED failure. Remove the headlight nacelle to expose the turn signal wiring. Locate and disconnect the left and right turn signal connectors. They're labeled FRH turn and FLH turn. Remove the rubber grommet from both sides of the fork and pull the turn signal wires out. Now remove the existing turn signal housings. Install the new ProBEAM turn signals using the provided mounting bolt. Be sure to use a thread locking agent to prevent the mounting bolts from becoming loose. Route the new turn signal wires through the hole on each side and reinstall the rubber grommets. Connect the white connectors from the turn signal housings to the corresponding left and right turn signal connectors. Locate and disconnect the war bonnet connector at the top of the headlight nacelle opening. Connect the black connectors to the war bonnet connector. Secure the wires to prevent them from getting cut, frayed, or pinched. Test the front turn signals for proper operation in both run, turn, and hazard mode. Reinstall the headlight nacelle and the seat. Be sure to test for proper operation of all lighting before going on a ride. Now you're ready to enjoy your new ProBEAM Indian Amber White turn signals. Our ProBEAM Indian Amber White turn signals are a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire ProBEAM family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.